Welcome back to Sunday Night Foodball, here for year 2. We skipped the first week this year. I had a wedding to go to, so I didn't have a chance to do my usual cooking. This week though, we've got the Chicago Bears against the Green Bay Packers. For Chicago, I'm going to do Chicago-style hot dogs. It's going to be all-beef hot dogs with lots of toppings. Walking through the garden, as they say up in Chicago. Lots of vegetables on there. And then for Green Bay, the choice would be between bratwurst or a cheese platter. This time of year is a little bit too warm to smoke cheese, so it's going to be bratwurst. So that's going to be our menu for week 2, 2022 season. So we got the all-beef hot dogs and the beer brats both set up in here. I've got a 2-zone fire set up. I've been running them on indirect heat to start with some hickory wood chips to get a nice smoky flavor. Now they're starting to get a little bit of color. I'm going to move them all over directly on top of the fire to finish off so they blister up and get that good full coloration all the way through. So I'm doing for just a minute or two on each side here and then flip them back over with the other side also. And then they'll be ready to take off and ready for all of the toppings. Got all the brats and the hot dogs off the grill. I smoked them on each side for about 10 minutes on indirect heat, and then about 2 minutes more on each side direct heat to get that good blistering all the way through. Now it's time to load up the buns here. I've got sesame seed buns. You can use whatever ones you like best. For a true Chicago dog, it would be poppy seed, but I didn't really want to do that, so we got sesame seed instead. For the Chicago dog, grab your all-beef hot dog, load it up with whatever types of veggies you want. Onion, pepper, celery salt's a big one too, pickle relish, some sort of mustard. Load up all that stuff on top of it, and then once you got your finished product, just dig in. For the bratwurst, same kind of idea. Get your brat on there. Good beer brat's never a bad idea. For me, that's just going to be onions and a little bit of mustard. I don't like a whole lot of other stuff on my bratwurst. I like to be able to taste the brat. So once I get those loaded up, that's going to be what we have. That's going to be our meal. And here's our final product. We have the Chicago dog loaded down with onions, a couple of different types of pepper, some mustard, and some sweet relish. Bratwurst, I kept it simple, just some onion and a little mustard. That's how I like my brats. You can do whatever you want on yours. So this is our first Sunday night foodball of the year. We have the Chicago dogs and the Green Bay bratwurst. Thanks again for watching. I really enjoyed the food this week. It was a good time. As always, my name is Alex Becker, and thank you especially to my wife for doing the recording and all the film editing, everything like that. Hope to see you next week.